A fresh controversy unfolded in the Odisha Assembly on Tuesday after the preamble of the constitution displayed in the House failed to include the words secular and socialist. This incident came a day after the Supreme Court rejected a PIL seeking the removal of these words from the preamble, triggering widespread debate and protests. The omission in the Odisha Assembly led to a standoff with the opposition lawmakers from the BJD, that is the Biju Janata Dal, and Congress, stalling the proceedings, calling it an affront to the constitution. The issue was first raised by senior BJD leader Ranendra Pratap Swai immediately after the obituary references in the assembly. He sought clarification from the speaker regarding the absence of the words, prompting a protest from both the BJD and the Congress. Members of the opposition expressed strong dissatisfaction, accusing the ruling BJP of undermining the constitution. Speaking to reporters outside the assembly, Swai emphasized the importance of upholding the constitution's integrity.
I just can't imagine by what stretch of imagination these people, those are at the helm of affairs in this assembly, have put this. Only yesterday, the words secular and socialist, they were challenged before the Supreme Court. The Honorable Supreme Court has opined that these two things will remain. They will abide by the preamble because they clarified that thing. Honorable Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna, though there is no dispute in it, but it is unfortunate that this has been done. And that too, on the occasion of the Constitution Day, when they are asked to pay tributes, floral tributes to the plaque, but the plaque is sans these two words. That means we are trying to dither from the ethos of the Constitution. What do you demand on that? We demand that this should be immediately removed and they must abide by the tenets of the Constitution. And the majesty of Constitution is above everybody else.
Meanwhile, Congress Legislature Party leader Ramachandra Kadam alleged that a deliberate conspiracy behind the omission. Kadam accused the BJP of showing disrespect to the constitution, stating the omission of the words secular and socialist indicates that the BJP has no respect for the constitution. Congress leader Sofia Firdaus also echoed these statements, stating,
As Indians proudly celebrate the National Constitution Day, संविधान दिवस, और संविधान में हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में प्रियम्बल में जो है उसको हम प्राउडली फॉलो करते हैं और कल सुप्रीम कोर्ट इटसेल्फ इन इट्स ऑर्डर अपहेल्ड कि सोशलिस्ट सेक्युलर निकाल नहीं पाएंगे। जो बीजेपी के कुछ नेता लोग पिटीशन फाइल करके कोशिश कर रहे थे कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो अमेंड हुआ था 1976 से उससे सोशलिस्ट सेक्युलर निकाला जाए, बट सुप्रीम कोर्ट इवन अपहेल्ड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड ऑफ द प्रियम्बल। तो अभी आश्चर्य की बात है कि विधानसभा में हमारा जो संविधान का प्रियम्बल लिखा हुआ है उसमें भी पुराना प्रियम्बल लिखा हुआ है जिसमें सोशलिस्ट सेक्युलर नहीं है। तो ये बात उठी विधानसभा में, ये इस बात पे उठ के इसमें विरोध भी करा गया कि संविधान को पालन किया जाए इन ट्रू स्पिरिट एंड ट्रू सेंस हमारे राज्य में भी हमारे देश में भी। तो इस वजह से विरोध किया गया है और जब तक चेंज नहीं करते हैं तो विरोध करा जाएगा।
In defense, the BJP members clarified that the preamble displayed was a reproduction of the original preamble adopted by the Constituent Assembly in 1947. BJP MLA Erasis Acharya explained that the terms secular and socialist were added in 1976 following the 42nd Constitutional Amendment. He further emphasized that the BJP has great respect for the Constitution and affirmed that the omission was not a deliberate slight. He remarked, and I quote, that the BJD is trying to mislead the public by raising non-issues. Despite these clarifications, the issue led to significant disruption in the assembly with multiple adjournments as opposition members continued to raise their objections. The opposition parties, particularly the BJD and the Congress, argued that the omission of the terms undermined the core values of the constitution and was an attack on the country's secular and socialist principles.